Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Scorpios, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Scorpios. These are for your general energies, guys. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, Scorpios, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So you can stay tuned for that. So let's see what are these cards. We have Ace of Wands, Six of Cups, and Nine of Pentacles. So in your situation, guys, Scorpios, maybe today you are spending time with the people you love and sharing your stories, maybe your childhood stories, your memories, happy memories, or for some of you, it may be your traumatic past, your childhood traumas, or whatever it is. So you are sharing your memories with this person. So this person may be someone really close to you. This may be the person you love and you want to know, you want them to know everything about you, or you are sharing each other's stories, so you are working towards a better understanding with each other and you trust this person. That is why you are ready to reveal everything about you. So this may be your energy or their energy towards you, guys. So they are seeing you as a reliable person and they want to speak their mind, tell you everything about them, or this may be your energy towards this person you love, guys. And in your situation, Scorpios, I see a new beginning. It may be a new beginning in your work or new beginning in this relationship, something which you love to do. It may be something which you are really passionate about. For some of you, if it is a work related beginning, it may be something you simply love to do, maybe in creative art or some kind of maybe like singing, dancing, or something, adventure sports, something which you love to do, something which you are really passionate about. And for some of you, you may feel a surge of inspiration in your heart to do much better than before. So some kind of inspiration or confidence, or you see things proceeding in a new way today. You see things taking a turn, proceeding in a new way today for you in your relationship or in your career situation, guys. So your the way of seeing or your perception is changing today, guys, and it is a positive perception. And you are happy, you have that emotional satisfaction, contentment today, guys, Scorpios. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. We have Five of Swords. So in your relationship, you are facing some troubles, maybe. There may be some arguments or fights with this person. Some misunderstandings may be there for you guys today, and you may feel stressed, or you may feel that this person is not respecting you. So that's what I see, guys. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It's Ace of Swords. So though you are successful in certain things in your work, there may be some difficulties you need to overcome. Some obstacles may be there in your work situation, guys, Scorpios. So that is what I see with these cards, Scorpios. If you want more clarity, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and first crystal. This is your second card and second crystal. So whichever card you want to choose, you can first close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds about your situation, then open your eyes and choose the card. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start with the first card. So this card is from the Crystal Spirits Oracle. So let's see what is the guidance. So I will keep this card aside and we will see what is the card for y'all, the first card. And the crystal, the guidance, Tiger Eye. So this is your crystal guidance, guys. I hope you can see the card here. I will leave the crystal here. So this crystal stands for positive intentions. So whatever we want to manifest in our life today, let it be our career situation or let it be our relationship, when we have positive intentions, it is going to work out in a positive way, guys. And just being interested in someone does not mean that we are going towards marriage or a deep commitment. So you need not have any fear towards knowing someone you are really interested in. Just maybe asking them out or just meeting up with that person does not mean anything great. You can just know them as a friend. Maybe you are having some kind of blocks in your mind. Maybe you have something blocking you from moving towards someone you are interested in. And this crystal guidance is not only having those dreams and fantasies, some wishful thinking. It stands for action. So you can ask them out, maybe spend time with this person you are interested in. And maybe if you are optimistic, if you have positive intentions towards this connection, it may work out well for you guys, and you will not feel sorry for knowing them or going out of the way, maybe taking this first step today in this relationship, today towards this person you are interested in. So with this card, the guidance is that maybe some of you all are just worried or something is holding you back from connecting to someone you are interested in, but you need not fear. You have to let go all your fears and you can move forward and you will not regret that you took this first step, guys. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose the second card and the second crystal. So let's see what is the card. It is Blue Beard, Taboos. So for those who chose this card, guys, maybe in your situation today, you are maybe in a relationship with someone or you are having a friendship with someone, but you do not know them very well. Maybe they are hiding some secrets, and maybe if it is something small, it is not to worry, but this person may be dangerous. They want you to know only their better qualities, and they are hiding some things evil. Maybe they have evil intentions. And if you have people, your soul family, maybe your friends or family members who are really concerned about your welfare, who are having positive intentions towards you, and you know them very well, you trust them very well. And if this person is suggesting you certain things, is advising you against this relationship or against this connection, you need to listen to it, guys, and you need to be curious about this person. Maybe if you do not have clarity about what are their intentions, you have to have curiosity, find out what is there in their mind. Maybe your curiosity may help you out of some difficult situation, guys. Maybe holding on to secrets is nothing bad, but if this relationship involves obedience or some kind of punishment, you need to take a step back, think, then make a right decision, guys, for you and for this relationship. Maybe it holds some hidden dangers. You have to be really careful, guys. So that is what I see with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.